In this short tutorial, I'm going to share with you on how you can post Instagram stories on your computer. Open up any browser of your own choice. For this case, I will use Microsoft Edge. You can choose to use Chrome, Firefox, or any other extension of your own choice. Let's say you've already logged into your Instagram. Make sure to stay on your Instagram homepage. On this exact page, tap on these three dots at the upper right corner of your screen. Navigate onto the option of More Tools. Then select on this last option of Developer Tools. You will then click on this Computer to Phone icon. Make sure to refresh your Instagram. Tap on this plus icon and select to add story. Select any preferred photo and tap on Add Story. Your story will get updated successfully. You can also change to any screen preview of your own choice. Click right here to choose any dimensions. That's how easy it is to post Instagram stories using your computer. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share, and subscribe for more informative tutorials like this one.